3D printing is an additive manufacturing technique that builds 3D structures one layer at a time. And by adding layer upon layer, it can create 3D shapes. Probably wondering how this process relates to surfboard fins. Well, we use 3D printing technology for rapid prototyping of fins for surfboards. So rapid prototyping in this case means that we can design our fins and then make prototypes rapidly using the 3D printing technology. And when we make changes to our design of the fins, we can use 3D printing to make rapid changes where necessary.